over the world, supporters of freedom, good morning. This very morning, the darkness, the enemies, and the children of darkness have come to try the light.
Army. They are the one.
And they are beginning to fall anyway.
Wow.
The war started 12 minutes ago.
Wow.
I just want to update you this morning. Stay tuned. Why? Good morning. Biafrans all over the world, supporter. Stay tuned. Why we are sending them to hell? Because they have come,
not judgment,
that they may die in the land of Biafra. In the face of our enemies. So this morning I've come to update the children of light that the darkness can never, will never, shall never comprehend light.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't matter how many there are.
Yes, sir.
If they come in million, they will die in million. They come in thousand, they will die in thousand. They come in 100, they will die in 100.
They have come to
These people did not know that we are fully prepared. They don't know that we have come to take what is rightfully belongs to us.
It is no longer business as usual.
So stay tuned. I will come back later in the day to update you what conspire in Osumo, in Olu himself. They have come and have collecting the price, the market. Hope. I don't like when you come, when you send children to come and face men. Hope. Thunder will fire you. Send men to come, not children.
Not children.
You send children to come and fight men.
You believe?
And they will just come within a twinkle of an hour. It's not even up to 1 hour. If not up to 1 hour, they have already running out.
Only foolish people will join them. Anyone who is joining them at this moment is very, very useless. After watching what is going on, having the intels they're supposed to have as military, they still insist in coming to. They still insist to come to our land to do one or two things.
Well, their juju no carry. Hope their juju no carry.
At all.
It invests me. When you send children to come and fight men,
instead of men,
it invests me. Your juju no carry.
At all.
Gather the whole money in this war to talk less of our hand.
Don't mind them. Don't mind them at all. That is what they normally do. That's what they normally do, believing that they know what they're doing. But at the end, foolish ones will give their life to their stupid agenda. This is Biafra Liberation Army commander giving us updates on what is going on, because the Nigerian military are still, insist in dragging our land with our Biafran army. They are dragging Biafran land with them. Hope all of them keep on sending troop of army from Nigeria to do one or two things in Imo State, and the young people that are foolish enough to join them are paying their life with that demonic agenda. They keep on sucking the blood of those youths that they are recruiting Nigerian army, without knowing that you don't fight that will swallow you. This is just a just fight. Anyway, I just want to give us this update from our gallant men, so that we will follow the news and the trend of the event without missing out. If you are new in my channel, Kai Report, please like the video, comment and subscribe. Share this video to your groups. If you're watching from Facebook, because we also have a Facebook account, please do well and join me on my Facebook. Follow my page, like the video, share it and comment. Make the video go viral, because once you comment, it will help you, YouTube and Facebook, to spread the information for others to watch. Comment and like. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video.